Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to do another product lineup video that happens to feature some beard care products. You guys notice I'm wearing some facial fur still, so that's kind of the theme for the next few videos. And then we'll do an epic shave off, don't worry guys. But this is Baxter of California. Now this is a brand that I was introduced to years ago, and I actually had an opportunity to meet one of the founders of the company, Jean-Pierre, and this company has its origins even further back. Before he got involved, there was Baxter Finley himself in 1965, California. He came on the scene looking for products that were going to be able to be used with his skin, his beard type. Kind of the classic story. He couldn't find things that worked for him, so he decided to invent them himself. And that's the story of Baxter. Today, it's a line of products that I think represents clean, modern, stylish kind of branding design, clean scents, a really modern aesthetic to all their products. It's supposed to also embody California. Let's talk shop about the products. I'll start with the beard since I mentioned that's one reason why we're doing this. This is a beard oil. It has avocado oil in it. It's got vitamin E. It's great for your skin. You know, and I always tell people that. Don't forget that the beard care products really are also to take care of the skin underneath. So I just put a little bit on the tips of my fingers, running it through. If I had my trusty comb on me, which I don't, I would use a brush to really move it around and distribute it. But make sure when you're doing this, you're really getting down to the actual skin itself, because that's what's going to happen. If you grow a beard out, or even just to go to your mustache, you will have dry skin underneath. And so you got to use a product to help not only take care of the hair, keep the hair soft, but also keep your skin looking soft and looking good, so you don't get the, as I describe it, the dandruff shower, the cloud, the snow falling of dandruff just coming down all over every surface whenever you touch your beard. You don't want that. So avoid it with using a nice beard care product. Also helps with styling, kind of sets you up for the day. Also, it substitutes as your cologne, or aftershave kind of scent you want to go for. I've found that since I've had my beard and I put a beard oil in every morning, I'm not putting on any additional, smell good product. This has a cedarwood and jasmine smell to it. It's a real masculine, real clean. So that's the beard oil product. Continuing along, we have our super close shave formula for Easy Glide. This is a awesome shave product that you could use with or without a brush. I always tell people when you use a brush, it makes it go 2 or 3 times as far in terms of product. But this is a huge amount of product in here. I'm trying to see this is 8 fluid ounces. So this is about double what you're usually getting from like an artisan soap vendor for a shaving cream. It's very easy to scoop out. And if I wanted to, I could take my finger and just, get it all out. It's very soft configuration. Has kind of a similar scent to it as the beard oil, so real clean, masculine. It would obviously work better with a brush. It would exfoliate your hair, lift up the hair better, and I think just do better. It would last longer, be more economical, and that brings us to the brush. This is a nice quality Badger shaving brush. It's got a good weight to it, and it comes in a handsome little tube here, Baxter of California, so everything kind of is matchy-matchy. Okay, in terms of some of our other software goods we'll talk about real quick, this is a beard lineup shave gel. So this is something for guys like myself who are just trimming up their neck. You know, I have about 3 or 4 inches of hair that's still growing on my lower neck that I trim up. Otherwise, I'd be one of those neck beard guys. Don't be that guy. The whole benefit of this is that it's clear. So when you apply it, you can actually see the line that you want to create, and you can get a real nice clean line for your beard. So that's why it's called the Line Up Shave Gel. So very good product there. When you're done with all your shaving and grooming, obviously you need to moisturize, and we always call those balms in the shaving world. Remember, it's basically a fancy version of lotion. Aftershave lotion, aftershave balm. This has got glycerin, aloe extract, menthol, has a little cooling sensation, which I've always enjoyed. I love a little bit of menthol. I mean, too much is too much, but especially when it's hot, which I guess I'm thinking of the heat because it's summertime in Arizona right now. And a little menthol, I find, goes a long way, and it feels great on your skin. So a nice aftershave balm. And last but not least, the razor. I mean, this is Razor Emporium, right? We got to talk about the razor. So this is their beautiful double-edged razor. And of course, the head, for those guys who are in the know, as I call it. If you're in the know about safety razors, you're going to say, oh, looks like an Edwin Jagger or kind of a Moolah style head, and you're probably right. I'm 99% sure this is made by Moolah for Baxter of California, as are a lot of other razors. The Gillette Heritage came out; it was a Moolah head, so this is the same kind of thing. But the handle on here has a very unique knurl. It's very, very unique to this razor. I've never seen another knurl like this before. It's very beautiful, and it kind of has like a curve look to it. It's not really angular. I really dig it. I think they have this on their stand as well, or maybe another brush they have with the same knurl. But very, very handsome. Comes in a cool little case here, so if you're giving it as a gift, it's perfect. Closes right up. You got their Griffin emblem here for Baxter of California. Opens up with a pack of derby blades. So very handsome indeed. What an awesome shaving set. And one reason I wanted to pick this up, guys, is because Baxter is known in California pretty widely. They have a barber shop that they feature all their products in, and a lot of people go to. And I've always thought it's kind of a high-end looking product line. If you want that super clean, modern look and a little inspiration from California, this is the line of products. It's Baxter of California, guys. Check them out if you haven't already done so. If you have used them before, tell me about it in the comments. Did you like it? Did you love it? Did you hate it? No, hopefully not. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered to win this, our official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. That's all I got today. Leave a comment if you've used some of this. Share the video with your friends. Post it on your favorite chat room or social media platform. And we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.